Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then my name is Vippu, and yeah, today I am actually gonna do a very quick at home facial slash cleansing routine of mine with very few products and very affordable products. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and also I'm very active on Instagram, so please don't forget to check out. I post daily there very amazing makeup looks I'm doing nowadays. And yeah, if you want to see how I do this cleansing routine at home, then let's get started. I'm gonna cleanse my face. I have washed my face, but still I wanna cleanse it one more time. So I'm taking this micellar water and I'm just cleansing my face. Dirt. So for scrub, I'm using this Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub with antibacterial properties. So let's wet my face. Take some of the product and I'm scrubbing in the circular motion. So if you're scrubbing with a very light hand, I'm not using any pressure at all. I'm just scrubbing very light-handed. This is very gentle on your skin. I really liked it, and I'm using it since then. And it's affordable, it's easy, it's available on it's available in the market almost everywhere, so this is nice. So I'm gonna quickly scrub my face and then wash it off, and I'll come back. So I've washed my face and now I'm gonna use aloe vera gel just to massage it in my skin. I'm taking a good amount of aloe vera gel. You can use, right now this Patanjali one is available with me and I'm using that. And I'm gonna again just massage it in circular motion like we did with the scrub, and a little water you need, and then massage. So we are done with scrubbing and we're done with the gel massage. Now I am gonna take this tool. It has this ring hole sort of thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna scrape off the dirt around the nose. You just have to press and drag. So it will help you removing all the whiteheads and blackheads. Since your skin is soft, your pores are open. So now my nose feels pretty clean and it's red as well on some areas. So let's get to the final step. Final step would be a mask. I am gonna use today a clay mask. This is a L'Oreal charcoal clay mask, and again this is a charcoal mask, so it is gonna, so it is a charcoal mask. It is gonna scrap out all the dirts and impurities, and clay mask is actually used to clean your skin, deep clean your pores, and also it will help closing my pores as well. And yeah, so yeah, I washed my face and my face looks so clean, so it's breathing, and now my skincare is gonna seep in better in my skin, and also the makeup is also gonna sit better on my skin. So yeah, so that was the short and simple cleansing routine I do at home like once in a week. Yeah, I wanted to share this teeny tiny cleansing routine with you guys, and I hope you like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.